Good evening. Can you hear me? Mama Hanada. Good evening. Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you do the homework? Homework එක කරාද? හරි. අපි discuss කරලා බලමු. What is the answer for the first one? 4x greater than 8. What is the answer? How we do the x we have to get as a subject. අපි කොහොමද කරන්නේ? We have to divide both sides by 4. Then what is the answer? X. What is the answer? X. Yes, Satya, x greater than 2 is the answer. Second one, 7x less than or equal 21. We have to divide the both side by 7 for the get x as the subject. Then what is the answer? Yes. X, Satya answer is correct. X less than or equal to 3. Then third one, minus 3x greater than or equal 3. Then divide by 3. What is that? We have to divide by minus 3. Then what is the answer is minus 3 divided by minus 3. What is that? The greater than x greater than and equal turn into the what is? We divide by minus number. So it's converted into the less than or equal. Then minus 3, 3 divided by minus 3 is minus 1. Okay. Fifth one, what is the answer? Did you get the answer? Satya, fifth one gattada? What is the? We have to multiply by x divided by 3 greater than or equal 1. We have to multiply by both sides by 3. What is the? 3 multiply divide by 3. Then x greater than or equal 3. Okay. What is the answer for the sixth one? Did you get the sixth one here? X divided by 6 less than minus 1. x less than minus 1 is the answer. Seventh one. What is the answer for the seventh one? 2x over 3 greater than or equal 4. We have to multiply by 3. Two x greater than or equal 12. We can divide by 2. Okay. Then 2 greater than or equal 6. 8 1 minus 3x then we have to multiply by both sides by 5. Minus 3x we have to divide by minus 3. X less than minus 5 over minus 18 is the answer. 5 over 18. Okay. After you finish the writing, raise hand. After you finish, raise hand. ලියාගෙන ඉවර වෙලා raise hand කරන්න. Satya, after you finish, raise hand. Okay. Third question, what is the asking? The price of 2 mangoes is less than 50 rupees. If the price of 1 mango is X rupees, this information can be represented by the inequality 2x less than or equal 50. Solve this inequality and find the maximum possible price of a mango. Okay, solve this and get the answer. Send it to me to the chat box. Yes, Ayatma answer is correct. Yes, Saki answer is correct. Yes, Hania answer is correct. Then how we get the answer? 2x less than or equal 50. We can divide the both sides by 2. Then x less than or equal to 25. Okay. If you got it, do the fourth one. The maximum mass that can be carried by an elevator is 560 kilograms. 8 men of mass x kilograms of each are riding this elevator. This information can be represented by the 8x less than 560. Find the maximum mass that can that each man could be. Okay, find out the yes, Ayatma answer is correct. Sorry, Ayatma ne Sakia. Yes, Ayatma correct answer එක දීලා තියෙනවා. Hania, your answer is also correct. අර තුන් දෙනාම දීලා තියෙනවා. 8x less than equal 560. We can divide the both side by 8. Then what is 560 divided by 8 is 70. X less than or equal 70. The maximum mass of that each man could be less than or equal to 70. Okay. Get the answer for this one. The amount of money Mahesh has. Yes, Saki, answer is correct. Yes, Hania, answer is correct. Yes, Ayatma, answer is correct. Okay, what is the can you find out the B part? If Ashan has only 5 rupee coins, හරි 5 rupee coins විතරයි කියනවා තියෙන්නේ. What is the amount having the Ashan? Can you find out? Only 5 rupees coins තියෙනවා. What are the multiple of maximum multiple of 5 less than greater than what is? I'm going to solve it. The amount of money Mahesh has is less than 4 times. Okay. Mahesh has less than 4 times the amount that Ashan has. Okay. Then Ashan has, Mahesh has 68. Okay. The inequality represent 4x less than greater than 68. Then what is the divide by 4? It's x. 68 divided by 4 is 17. If Ashan, x is represent which one? If the amount Ashan has denoted by x, Ashan, this is Ashan. Then Ashan has only 5 coins. What is the least amount? Okay, least amount. It is, what are the multiple of 5 now? 5, 10, 15, 20. The x should be, x මොකද වෙන්න ඕනේ? Should be greater than 17. 17ට වැඩි වෙන්න ඕනේ. 17ට වැඩි අඩුම what is the multiple of 20? What is the multiple of 20 is Yes, Saki, answers are correct. What is the least amount, Saki? Least and aduma. Yes, it's 20. Hari? 20 tamai aduma. Okay, we can get the 20, 25, 30, likewise. Okay, but least amount is 20. Okay, I think you can understand it. If you finish, raise hand now. Okay, today I'm going to discuss the next lesson. Okay, write down the 22 lesson sets. Okay, first set notations. Notations. First one, descriptive method. Okay, then I'm going to descriptive method. What is the descriptive method? You can get descriptive method. I'm going to introduce prime numbers between 1 and 15. Prime numbers between 1 and 15. Okay, what are the prime numbers between? Okay, next next notation, we go into element representing method. What are they? A is, what are the prime numbers between 1 and 15? Can you tell me what are they? Prime numbers, can you remember? What is the least prime number is? 2. The next one is, what is? Prime numbers, can you remember? What is 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. That's are the prime numbers between 1 and 50. Okay, next notation is Venn diagram. Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams. Two, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, that's are the prime numbers between 1 and 15. Then Venn diagram we show it's in circle. We use the English letter to represent the set. Okay, write down it. Yes, Atma Hania. The prime numbers are correct. After you finish, raise hand. Honey, are you finished? Okay. Finite set. Finite set. The elements that can be included to given set is given set. The element can be included to given set should be limit. Okay. Set should be limit. Okay, what are the? If even numbers between 1 and 20. The A set has limited elements, so we can define it as a finite set. Okay, then we go into the infinite set. Infinite set. The elements that can be included to given set should be unlimited. Okay, if it's all whole numbers, all counting numbers, what are the counting numbers? Likewise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. we can write into the infinite. Okay. After you finish it, raise hand now. Satya, after you finish, raise hand. Equal set. Write down the next topic, equal set. One, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Then B, it's 17,539. Okay. What are the digits in this number? 1, 7, 5, 3, 9. All digits in A. 7, 5, 3, 9. What are they? Is it same A and B? Is it same or not? The digits in A and B, same or not? Same. Yes. Then we call A equal B. So A and B are equal set. Okay. Equal set. Write down it. Atma, after you finish, raise hand. Equivalent set. Write down equivalent set. Sorry, EQI. Equivalent set. Equivalent set. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. How many elements that included NA? We call the number of elements. How much? How much the number of elements? Elements කීයක් තියෙනවද? How much? Yes, Satya, my answer is 5. Then I am going to introduce another set that included A, B, C, D, and E. What is the NB? Now, yes. Also, NB equal to 5. Then what is NA and NB? NB equal to 5. Then we call their A and B. A and B are equivalent sets. Okay, write down it. Okay, can you define what are the finite set? What are the infinite? Finite set. Write down the character for the sets finite and infinite. Okay, can you categorize? Yes, Saki answers are correct. Okay, what are the finite sets? Finite set, multiple of 5, 0 to 50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Okay, that's are the finite. Okay, it's finite. Integers are infinite. A is finite. Integers are finite. The numbers that can be written using 0 and 1. It's finite. Okay, digits of the number 25,265. It's finite. Then sorry, B is infinite. C is uh, C is finite. Then D is also finite. Then E is positive integer which are not prime. It's infinite. Okay. Okay, Hania, C is should be the finite. Okay. ඒක විතරයි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙන්නේ. If you finish, raise hand now. Okay, write each of following sets in term of their elements and then write all the pair of equal sets and all pair of equivalent set. Okay, get the what are the elements for the P, Q, R, S, T, U, V? What is P is positive multiples of 3 below 10. What are they? 3, 6, and 9. As well, you get the other. Okay, what are the letters of net? N, E, N, comma, E, comma, T. Odd numbers between 0 and 10. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. S. Digits 3, 6, 9. Vowels in English. P, sorry, A, E, I, O, U. That are the vowels in English alphabet. V, letters of the word 10. What are T, E, N. Can you tell me what are the pairs of equal pairs monotone? Can you tell me what are equal pairs? Yes, Sakya, equal pairs P and S. P and S. Yes, P and S. P equal to S. Then what are the other in P and S? Also Q and V. Q equal to V. Then there's another one. Is it? No. Okay. Then equivalent sets are what else? T and R. T comma R. They are not equal. Okay. We use it a comma. T comma R. Then what are Q and V? Also Q and S. We can use Q, V, S. Yes. Also P. T and R. Okay. Can you get it? QVO, QSO, QP. You can make any equivalent set by using the pairs. After you finish, raise hand. Write down the next topic. Universal set. Universal set. And subset. Universal set and subset. Then A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then B is included 3, 6, 7, 8. So we can tell A is universal set. A is universal set because it included all the elements of B. Okay. Then B is subset. B is subset. Okay. We denote, okay, A is a subset, sorry, B is subset of A denoted by B subset A, like this. B subset of A. අපි මේ කියන්නේ B subset of A. හරි මේ open mouth එක තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ වගේ එකකින් අපි දාන්නේ B subset of A. The open mouth to the universal set. මේ open mouth එක තියෙන්නේ universal set එක පැත්තට, ලොකු set එක පැත්තට. Okay. Can you write down it? After you finish, raise hand. How we read this one? How we read this one? Can you write? And S. Yes, Hania answers are correct. Yes, Saki answers are correct. Yes, Atma answers are correct. How we write down this? P is a subset of Q. Then how we read this? S is not a subset of L. Okay, you gave the correct answers. Write down the element of a set. Okay, then A is the vowels of the English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. Then O. O is O. මම මේව ලියන්න. Or element of A. Okay, how we read this? O is element of set A. Okay, this is one. Then I, how we read this? Write down, and you have to get the simple D. What is the notation? Notation for this blank. හරි. මේ blank එකට එන්න ඕනේ notation එක. You have to select. First one is element. Then second one is not element. Can you do this? Okay, මේකේ ඔයාලා ලියන්න ඕනේ කොහොමද read කරන්න කියලා. After you finish, raise hand. Okay, how we read this? I is element of set A. Next one, we have to D is a set element or not element. First one or second one, the answer. Not element. Okay, Saki answer is correct. Not element. Okay, if you finish, raise hand now. Okay. Write down the next topic. Write in subset of universal set of an universal set. Write in subset of an universal set. Then A is A, comma A is 1 and 2. Then what are the subset of this one? First one, we can write the with one element. With one element. It's two element we can write. Then one and two. We can write one and two. Also, we can write the subset as a null set. කිසිම එකක් නැතුව අපි මේ blank, we use the blank curly braces for the sets. How many sets are there? මෙතන හතරක් තියෙනවා නේද? There are four subsets. Four subsets. Okay, we get the some formula for the subset. Number of subset equal to 2 to the power n. Okay, 2 to the power n. Okay, n is number of elements in set. Then this one is capital N, 2 to the power 2 equal 4. You can see the 4 subset in the 1, 2 set. Write down this. After you finish it, raise hand. Two, 4, 6. How many subset in this one? Can you calculate? 2 to the power n. N is number of element in set. Okay, can you find out? And write the what are the subsets of B. How many subset in this one? Two to the power 3. Is it? Two. Yes, Satya answer is correct. 2 to the power 3 is 8. Can you write down the subset? What are the subset? First, write down the with one element. Second one with two elements. After 3 elements. And what are the null set? What are the subset? 2, 4, and 6. Also, we can include two elements. 2, 4, and 4, 6. 4, 6. And 2, 6. 2, 6. 2, 6. After, we can get the 2, 4, 6 and null set. What are the, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many subset there? 8 subset. Yes, Hani answers are correct. After you finish raise hand. Okay. Can you write this 8 subset of this one? Can you write down? How many all subset here? 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. It's 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 5 times. What is it? It's 32. Then can you write the 8 subset? අටක් ලියා ගන්න බැයිද? Can you do it? Okay, I think you can do it. Okay, I am using the single element. What is 2, 5, 8, 10, 13. How many? It's 5. Then you can use two elements, using two elements. Then 5 and 8 and 8 and 10. I think you can do it. Did you do it? If you finish, raise hand. Elements subset ටිකක් ලියුවා නම් raise hand. Determine whether each following statement is true or not. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. It's a subset of number divisible by 5. Is it a subset of the divisible by 5 numbers? First one, is it true or not? True or not? No. Sakya answer is correct. No. Get the other answers. You don't need to write the questions. Get only the answers. After you get the answers, send me it. Anya, all answers are correct. Sakia, answers are correct. Okay. Ayatma, some are not correct. I am going to discuss. Ayatma, what is square numbers? What are the square numbers? Then we can write the square numbers. 4, 9, 16. Then what are the square numbers? 1 to the power 2. It's 1. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 3 to the power 2 is 9. 4 to the power 2 is 16. Then 5 to the power 2 is 25. Then 6 to the power 2 is 36 likewise. Then 4, 9, 16 is a what is subset of 4, 9, 16, the square number set. Yes, yes. The cylinder is a subset of polygons. What are the polygons? Polygons means, then what are the? It's using straight lines. That shape using straight lines. Then square is a polygon. Then triangle is a polygon. What is? Then quadrilateral, parallelogram, they are the polygons. But cylinder is not a polygon. It's a solid. Okay. No. No. The red color is a subset of rainbow. Yes, it's a subset of rainbow colors. Then 2x minus 1 equals 7. Then 2x minus 1, if we take into the right side, then 7 plus 1 we know. 2x equals 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4. Then even numbers. Then is it an even number? 4 is an even number. Yes, it's an even number. Okay, did you get? Are the answer? Yes, Atma, answers are correct. That one is no. Okay. All right. If you finish it, raise hand. Yes. Write down the next topic, Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams. First, write down the universal set under the Venn diagram. Universal set. Universal set. We discussed all the elements that included is a Venn diagram. We use the Venn diagram. It's shaped rectangle. Okay. We denote it like this. It's a universal set. Okay. Then set. Every set. Set A. If set A, how we define it? in the universal set, then if it's A, we use letter A to denote the set and rectangle for the universal set. After you finish, raise hand. Universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then show above sets in Venn diagrams. Venn diagram. Can you show it? What are the should be in the including set A, and what are the not beside to the A? What are the elements that should be included to the A? 2, 4, 6, 8. What are that not included to the A, but it's included to universal set? 1, 3, then 5, 7, and 9. Okay. After you finish, raise hand. Set intersection. Set intersection. How we denote the intersection of two sets? It uses the symbol as the like this symbol. Okay. Can you get the A intersection B? Okay. Get the what are the elements for the intersection? Intersection means that should be included the both A and B. Right? ඔය දෙකටම common elements that common elements that to A and B. Can you select what are the elements that should be included for the intersection? Common elements. Yes, Hania answer is correct. Saki answer is correct. Yes, Sayatma answer is correct. The common elements to the A and B, 8 and 9. Okay. Write down the next topic. Set. Union. Union. Like symbol is like to the U. Then A and B, 2, 9, 5, 7, 8, 11, 13, 16, and 17, 19. Okay. Can you get the A union B? A union B is the all the element that integrated in A and B. A type B type තියෙන ඔක්කොම elements. Can you get it? What are the elements? Yes, Hania answer is correct. Sakya answers are correct. Yes, Atma answers are correct. What are the union is 2, 5, 7, 9, 8, 11, 13, and 16. Okay, Ola gave the correct answer. Then I'm going to the disjoint set. Disjoint set. The set that not included the common elements. If it's not included common elements, no intersection. Okay, A, this is B. Okay, there is not common elements. We call A and B, capital A and B are disjoint sets. Set. Okay, write down it. After you finish, raise hand. Yes. Complement of a set. Complement. If it's A, 1, 5, 7, 8. 4, 9, 11. Okay. What is the complement of A? We denote it as a dash. A dash. What are the A dash? that not included to A, but it's included to universal set. What are the elements? A dash. Yes, Hania, answers are correct. Okay, what is the answer for the complement of A? A dash 4, 9, and 11. Okay, if you got the answer, raise hand. You finish, raise hand now. Okay. 22.4. Third question. Can you do the what are the elements of A? What are the elements in A that surrounded by A? Circle A. ඔය A එක තියෙන A circle එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන ඒවා තමයි that are the elements of A. That are the B, then what are the inside the B circle? Yes, Hani answers are correct. Yes, Atma, your answers are correct. හරි අපි ඩිස්කස් කරලා බලමු. The A, what are the elements in A? 2, 9, 3, 5, 7. Then B included B 1, 4, 8, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Then A union B, that are the all included A and B. 2, 9, 3, 5, 7, 1, 4, 8. Okay. Then A intersection B 3, 5, 7. Okay. Okay. If your answers are correct, raise hand. This next question by the 22.5 question. I think you can do this one. Okay, I am going to solve this one. First one, x. What are the elements that included to x? 2, 8, 11, 7, 14, 21. Then y equal 7, 14, 21, 10, 17. Okay. Then what are the x intersection y is 7, 14, 21. Then fourth one is x union y is 2, 8, 11, 7, 14, 21, 10, 17. They are the union. Fifth one, x dash that not included in x. What are the 10, 17, 5, 9, 20, 13. What are the not included in y dash? Y dash 2, 8, 11, 5, 9, 20, 30. Okay, they are the y dash. Yes, Sakya answers are correct. Hania answers are correct. Okay, if you finish, raise hand now. Okay, you have a homework. It's 22.1 and 2 questions. Also 22.4. It's 20, 22.5. One first one and second one. This is the homework. Okay. Can you do it? කරන්න පුළුවන් වේද? Okay, do you have any question? What we did today? අද කරපුවා මොනවා ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? Okay. එහෙනම් මම අදට ක්ලාස් එක නතර කරන්න. Okay, good night. හරි. Okay.